What up everyone, how you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. This is Diego. I'm your forex trader who's gonna help you understand about the market, learn, and basically show you guys everything that I know in here for free in this YouTube channel. Before I go to the chart and show you guys the analysis that we're gonna do today for this week, make sure you go down below, hit the like button because you know that helps a lot with the algorithm. Subscribe to my channel, as well turn the bell notification on because when I post you're gonna be the first one to know, and hopefully I see you down in the comments helping me out and blowing my YouTube video because I'm here with so much love and so much pride on what I do, so hopefully I can help you understand and like the markets like I do. So I see you guys next on the markets. Let's go. Hello everyone, let's go. And now we're here on the charts. Let me put my phone to the side because now we're about to start something, you know. Let me actually put the camera here and let's go. First of all, we're starting with that GBPUSD. Actually, as you can see, we had these trades going on last week. Kind of we closed them here. We had to enter here, close them here. Nice, good profits. If I can show you guys, see, it was almost 87 pips of profit and crazy profits here. And what I can show you guys is, from what I saw, the market was actually, you know, doing its thing, as you can see. It was used this area here as support before, broke it, came down here to this previous support, and now it came here all the way up and was playing around here last week. That's why we closed it. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because, look at this. Market's about to play here, actually play here once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. So most likely it's going to come down and play on this area here as a range for a while, or maybe it's just going to break it. So what I'm telling you guys that I'm going to do is, if market is starting to make its way around here to come down, we definitely going to take a short position here. Stop loss here all the way down here, because, you know, this is a nice 75 pips profit. Who doesn't want that, of course? And if the market actually make its way up, you know, if it actually breaks this support, this resistance zone and becomes support again, I'll definitely start getting on a buy. But now the buy is going to be different, because it's not going to be to this top here. It's probably going to be to something more like here, you know. Why? Because we have this huge week here that was left and then came back to test it here again. So what I'm thinking is, if market breaks here, it's probably going to go back up there. So I'll literally try to take this 96, 97 pip profit. If it breaks, start testing, then we get on a buy. That's easily what we're looking for GBPUSD this week, and see what it's going to do as the market opens later today. Second of all, we have our GJ. GJ, nothing to be said. Market just touched it again, this previous high, using it as resistance again. I don't want to touch much of it because, you know, doesn't look like it's going to do anything. Most likely it's going to keep coming down. But you see, we have this high here, this low here, this whole low here, who made a double top, and then a double bottom here. So market was actually on a range between these 2 points, as you can see. If I put it here, you see, use it as support, as resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and then broke, support, trying to break it again, support, trying to break it again, didn't go, broke down, resistance, resistance, broke again. Now it's probably going to try and use for support. So until market either breaks from this low here or this high here, I ain't touching anything on GJ. We're moving to GBPAUD. As you can see, market actually uses its previous support zone to actually start shooting up before market closed. So because of this, I'm not going to do anything, because I'm not going to try to enter on a buy as soon as market goes. As you can see as well, a lot has happened here, too many weeks, so we just don't want to be in things like this. Same thing here, GBPCAD. We actually had this buy, which we closed here. So I'm not going to do anything. The market keeps bouncing here. I might, not saying I will, I might look for buys. And the way that I'm going to look for a buy is, if it keeps testing this with so many wicks, we probably going to be looking for a long position, you know. But then this time we're going to be targeting its previous resistance zone, which was here. And that's what happened. He actually broke here, and that's why it started coming down. So if anything happens, this is what we're doing for GBPCAD. This GBP NZD, same thing. GBP pair is kind of being really low this week, as you can see as well. Another support resistance which market's trying to use. So if anything, what I'm going to be looking is a long position, or most of GBP pairs I'm looking for long positions. I've been doing this since Friday. So if this seems quick to you guys, I've seen this before. I'm just explaining to you guys what we're doing. But basically it's because we had this previous support and resistance zone here. Okay, as you can see, previous work, you see support here, and then broke, resistance here, came down again, trying to break it on top, couldn't do it, came down again, and now it's making a way up using the same support, same resistance as support now. So this is probably why I'm looking for buys on GBP and ZD. Sorry about that. That's GBP and ZD. Now, GBPCHF, nothing to be said. Market's a bit on a range, too many weeks. Not actually a market that has a higher high or a lower high. So you see, it's literally in a range between this top, and this bottom. Doesn't move anywhere from here. And you're gonna say, Diego, then why don't you sell on the highest point and then buy it on the lowest? No point. Because if it's in a range, most likely it can't do anything. So you really don't know what's gonna do, and it's very hard to predict things like that. It's better when you have an actual trend going on. EURUSD, nothing to be done this week. EURJPY, also nothing to be done because it's coming to its higher peak for a while now. If you see, it's literally on a beautiful, 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 beautiful trend. See? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you're gonna say, Diego, why are you doing here if you broke it above? Why don't you do it this line? Why don't you move it higher? I mean, I could move it a bit higher and do it like this, but you know, it doesn't touch that many highs here as if I do it like this. You see, you touch and it kind of respects. But I'm not going to do anything because, you know, look how many wicks has left here before market close just on this point here. If anything, I would actually wait for EURJPY to come back to this level here and start retesting, either break it and come low, and then I'll see what I'm going to do. But until then, nothing. We also have EURGBP, nothing to be done. Most of Euro pairs are not doing anything this week, by the way. EURAUD, as you can see, market came back to this low here, used it as support, and now it's bouncing up. Like I said, nothing to be done because it was in a range, and now it's back into a ranging level. Didn't break this high here that was made previously. So until it breaks this or this point, I'm not doing anything with EURAUD. EUROCAD, same thing. Like I said, most Euro pairs are not doing anything. Look at this huge wick. No trend going on here. So nothing on EURGBP, not EURNZD, EURCHF, nothing. USDJPY. Haven't looked at USDJPYs or any USD pairs lately. So let's see what we have. We have a ranging market. You know, it's kind of ranging and going up slowly. So I don't want to touch this, even though it came this huge upwards momentum here. I kind of don't think it can be done, if that anything can be done here in this week. But if anything happens, I'll be updating you guys on Instagram. Also, we have USDCAD downtrend, perfect downtrend. You see, been done very good lately, but as soon as he got here, start getting on a range, as you can see here. Sorry, didn't mark that. As you can see here, ranging market, and it's actually going back there. So I'm not doing anything until it breaks either this low in the ranging market or the high here and start testing for buy. Same thing here, USDCHF. If he wants to, it's gonna come back to this point here where use it as support. But until he comes down here, I'm not thinking of doing anything with USDCHF. Let's go to AUD pairs. I haven't touched anything on AUD pairs this week. As you can see, market has been on a range. However, it came back to this high here, which was made before, and now it broke this support, this resistance zone. Used it as support once, couldn't make it any higher, broke it again, and now it's back. So hope maybe, just maybe, because of the markets and what I'm seeing, we could literally be taking a sell here on the AUDUSD, short position as soon as the market opens, with a stop loss in this previous high, because if market breaks up here, it can be going higher. I don't want my losses to be that much, or to just leave the market open like that. I might take profit just on this low here for a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward on this, but nothing too serious. I'm gonna be giving you guys updates on Instagram. AUDJPY, nothing to be said. As you can see, market came here, but now shot up, and I don't know what's gonna do, so I'm not gonna touch this, because there's not in a good trend. It wasn't a good trend here, as you can see. It wasn't a good trend. If I do it here, you see, good trend line, but then it broke, and now shot up, and I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna leave it that. Okay, AUDCAD, same thing. NZD, same thing. CHF, same thing. USD, which is gold. Gold has literally been in this movement for a while. As you can see, it broke this high with this huge candle, then started retesting here as support, and then shot up again, came back down, shot up again, and now it's starting testing. If you see, left this week before market closed, and then if he keeps rejecting, I'm not gonna be dumb or anything. I'm gonna take a short position here in gold just because it's in this range, but then I'm gonna come to this low here, because then if he bounces from here, he might shoot up again. So this is literally what I'm gonna do for gold if he keeps retesting and sell on gold, because it looks really promising to keep coming down, because only tested twice, 3 times, and then he might be just coming down again to start shooting up. So let's see what he does, because I have a feeling that's gonna keep going up, but in a later date, because now it's just starting to build itself up. So let's see what it does, and let's wait until the market opens, and I'll keep you guys updated again on Instagram. We have Bitcoin. Bitcoin has this huge drop that happened because what Elon Musk said about not having Bitcoin anymore as a form of payment for Tesla. And it's kind of sad that they're not taking Bitcoins anymore for Tesla payment, but it literally came down to $45,000. So I don't know what to think. I don't know what to do. Bitcoin's kind of crazy at the moment. We don't know what's going to happen. So all I'm going to do is leave this out and not touch anything. Tesla shares, as you can see, also dropped because of what he said about Bitcoin, but I'm not going to touch into stocks right now. Litecoin, nothing. NASDAQ, nothing. And Ripple as well. And besides that, all I have is here as well as Dogecoin, but Dogecoin actually made its way up after what Elon Musk said about supporting things like Dogecoin. So hopefully we can see some nice upwards movement of Dogecoin. So this is not me telling you guys to buy Dogecoin, but keep your eyes on it. It should be shooting up again back to 67 cents where it was before. So this was an amazing talk with you guys. I hope you guys had an amazing time watching me doing this analysis. I post a lot more on my Instagram. This is just what I was looking for this week. I'll keep you guys updated that side. I'm gonna post a lot of videos here soon. So if you have anything that you want to see, anything that you want to learn, anything you're unsure of about the Forex market, make sure you comment down below and say, I want to learn this, and I'll make sure I'll do a video just for you, and I'll tag you in it. So show the love downstairs on my comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and put the bell notifications on so you know when I'm posting a new video soon. So thank you so much for your support. Thanks so much for your love. I'm Diego, and peace out.